Have you ever brushed your teeth, looked in the mirror, and still seen that stubborn yellow buildup? That's plaque. And it doesn't just make your smile look dull, it's slowly damaging your enamel and gums. But here's the secret. There's a natural 2-minute trick that can loosen plaque safely at home. And the best part? You probably already have it sitting in your kitchen. Stick with me till the end, because once you know this, you'll never look at oral care the same way again. And before we dive in, don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss simple, dentist-approved hacks like this. Now here's something most people don't realize. Plaque acts like sticky glue. Brushing helps, but it doesn't always get it all. So what's the solution? It's not toothpaste. It's not mouthwash. It's definitely not baking soda. In fact, it's much simpler. The first trick is called oil pulling, and the ingredient? Pure coconut oil. Just 1 tablespoon. Swish gently in your mouth for 2 minutes. The oil naturally binds the bacteria, loosens plaque, and even freshens your breath, all without harsh chemicals. Imagine this. Just 2 minutes and your teeth feel smoother, your mouth cleaner, and your gums protected. And the best part? It's completely natural, safe, and dentist-approved when done correctly. Just remember, don't swallow it. Spit it out, rinse with warm water, and then brush your teeth. Do this a few times a week, and over time, you'll notice a difference every time you smile. But wait, I promise you something even better. Because while oil pulling is powerful, there's another 2-minute trick that can fight plaque and freshen your entire mouth. And you probably haven't tried it yet. Want to know what it is? Here's a clue. It's not oil, it's not salt, and it's not vinegar. It's green tea. Yes, that simple cup of tea sitting in your kitchen can actually fight plaque. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, which help reduce the growth of bacteria in your mouth. Less bacteria means less plaque, fewer cavities, and fresher breath. And here's how you do it. Just brew a strong cup of green tea, let it cool slightly, and swish it around your mouth for about 2 minutes before drinking it. Not only do you get the antibacterial benefits directly on your teeth, but you also boost your gum health from the inside out when you drink it. Studies have shown that people who drink green tea regularly have healthier gums, less bleeding, and lower plaque buildup. Plus, it's refreshing, natural, and way cheaper than fancy mouthwashes that often dry out your mouth. Just imagine starting your morning with a warm cup of green tea and at the same time giving your teeth a shield against plaque and bacteria. Now here's the real magic. Combine both tricks. Oil pulling a few times a week and green tea swishing daily can dramatically cut down plaque buildup. One clears bacteria by pulling away. The other stops bacteria from multiplying in the first place. Together, they make a powerful, natural defense system for your smile. So, are you ready to fight plaque naturally and keep your teeth looking their best? Start with just 2 minutes of oil pulling. Add a green tea rinse, and watch how much cleaner and fresher your smile feels. Have you ever tried either of these methods before? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more natural remedies, and share it with someone who deserves a brighter, healthier smile. Because sometimes, the simplest solutions are the ones that work best.